Girl, if you've been looking for a cute, quick, secure, protective, versatile style, stay tuned and let me put you on real quick.
Gotta do what I gotta do. Said it's all brand new. I cannot stop. Gotta do what I gotta do.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm working with these 20-inch kinky curly clip-ins from CURLSQUEEN. They came packaged real cute too. You get your clip-ins, a drawstring bonnet, and a detangling brush. So really quick disclaimer, my hair does already have product in it from an old wash and go. I just detangled it, then stretched it out overnight and put it in some chunky 2-strand twists to prep for today. So to start parting, I undid my twist, refreshed through to make sure there were no knots. Then I parted my hair from ear to ear, starting just behind one ear, then going straight across to the other side. Once that first half was sectioned off, I tied it up to get it out the way and moved on to the back. Like I said, this style is pretty quick, so in the back I kept it real simple. I detangled with my detangling brush, and then I just put my hair in 2 chunky cornrows. That's it. Since I'm using clip-ins, I really don't need no super intricate braid pattern. I just need a flat, quick, and secure. Now, me personally, in my experience using clip-ins, I do not like clipping the hair onto my loose, natural hair. That hurts my scalp. It feels loose, and honestly, I think it causes breakage. So I'm gonna tell you a way that I install to prevent all that. But in the meantime, I just rubber band the ends of my braids to keep them from unraveling. Then I use my crochet needle to tuck and secure the hang time underneath. Now for the top, I wanted it to give that Jayda wayda type of hairstyle. Y'all know that 90s vibe. But I wanted it to be more intermediate. So instead of full-on braids, I did flat twists, which are way easier, especially if you're still learning. I started by creating a V part right in the center of my head. That part's optional, but I thought it gave some style and some cute dimension. Once I had the V part down, clipped it aside and worked on the sections on the outer sides of the V. To clean up my parts, I used a little Wetline Extreme Gel and Gummy Styling Gel. Not too much though, because like I said, my hair does already have product in it. Now if you're new to flat twisting, I'm gonna give you a quick little breakdown. It's just like 2-strand twisting, but you're grabbing hair as you go. So it's similar to cornrowing. Just grab a section, split that section into 2, and then start twisting while feeding in hair from scalp. Once each flat twist was done, I secured it with my black rubber band. I feel like these rubber bands just help give that little 90s vibe that's super trendy right now. So while I was parting and twisting, I made sure to brush out my baby hairs. Y'all already know my edges are real delicate, so I'm not even playing about tugging and twisting them. So at this point, one side done, y'all should pretty much get the gist of what we doing here. So I just went ahead and fast forward, boom, to being done. Once all my twists were done, I took the first 2 on the very ends and I tucked them into my cornrows. I left the front twist loose because this was a leave out style, at least I wanted it to be. I went in with my magic finger shine and jam mousse, ran it through the twist and my leave out. Then I grabbed my flexi rods and rodded the top section. The curl pattern for CURLSQUEEN's hair is a little looser than mine, so the flexi rods help me match up and make the blend real flawless. Now let's get into these clip-ins. I only got 1 bundle from CURLSQUEEN and it was more than enough. Each bundle had 10 tracks, 4 small pieces with 2 clips, 2 tracks with 3 clips, 2 more tracks with 4 clips, and 2 with 5 clips on it. I didn't have a special system when placing them. I just went with what fit where. Started with the smaller clips at the nape and I guess used the longer tracks as I moved up. But when installing my clip-ins on braids, here's that tip or that hack. Don't snap them onto the root. Instead, slide the comb of the clip through the braid itself, like under the braid, not through the scalp. It feels so much better and it stays without a literal headache. At this point, installing the clip-ins is pretty repetitive, so I just went ahead and fast forwarded through. Now I'm just using my Fantasia holding spray to really give my 2-strand twist or my flat twist some extra security and hold, especially while I'm sleeping. And this is literally how I've maintained the style and wrapped it at night, exactly how you see me doing now. Take my bonnet off in the morning, fluff out the curls. Now this is just water in my spray bottle. The girlies that aren't new to my channel know that I love putting my product in on soaking wet hair. I'm blending out everything with a little Camille Rose Curl Love Moisture Milk to define the clip-ins.
We've been done long before it all begun. Still can't give it up. Lead me on, but leave before the
When I took down my rollers, I noticed how much shrinkage my curls had, and it just was not blending or looking right with these curls. So I just took my spray bottle with my water and I just wet it up a little bit, and it was like the perfect blend. Then I let the curls air dry. I don't usually diffuse my hair. I feel like the curls look better when they get to air dry, and really that's all. Once the hair was all blended and dry, I played around with it with a few styles. And when I say quick, cute, and easy, this whole look was just that. This whole style maybe took about an hour and a half top, so it was super quick and protective, and the hair is bomb. I always love working with CURLSQUEEN. They really never disappoint. Whether if I'm buying it myself or they send it out to me, the quality really is always top tier, and it's very rare that I hear that you guys say that you guys don't like the hair that they send out to you. So I think that they're one of the good ones. The tracks are always full, texture soft, it's easy to style. Like, they really do what they're supposed to do.
no one knows but us. The feelings rush every single time we touch. Even though it's what we want, can't keep it up. No, but I just don't wanna leave you. Might just go with the reasons why people can't lay here. And secrets, both gotta keep it honest. That's just a game we know. People can't play. For tonight, I'm yours. So tonight, that's or stay behind closed doors. 'Cause all I wanna do is lie with you. For tonight, I'm yours. So tonight, that's true. Or stay behind closed doors. 'Cause all I wanna do is lie with you. Even though it's wrong, I'll lie with you. Even though it's wrong, I'll lie with you.
Whether if you're a beginner or a pro, if you're looking for something quick, protective, versatile, and cute, this right here is the one. So y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And if this video helped you out, please let me know in the comments. And let me know what style you're trying next. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see y'all in the next one.
Dripping everywhere.